Here is problem on that electrostatic potential due to a system of charges. In problem we have given two electric charges 12 coulomb and minus 6 coulomb are placed 20 centimeter apart in air. There will be a point P on the line joining these charges and outside the region between them at which the electric potential is 0. From this data, what is the distance of P from minus 6 coulomb charge? Okay. Now we have given these two charges. One charge is Q1 which is equal to 12 coulomb and other charge Q2 which is equal to minus 6 coulomb. They are separated by 20 centimeter, means 0.2 meter distance. Okay. In air, there will be a point P on the line joining these charges. Okay. Here is line joining these two charges, and there is point P. Okay. At which the electric potential is 0. In that point P have electric potential 0. Now consider that point P lies in that side. Okay. We know that electric potential V, which is directly proportional to magnitude of charge and inversely proportional to distance. Okay. Means if that charge, magnitude of charge is large, then potential at point P becomes large, and R is small, potential large. Okay. Here, if we compare these two charges, that Q1 charge, magnitude of that Q1 charge is large, therefore its potential is large and its distance is small. Therefore, potential due to this Q1 charge is large. That V1 is large, and potential due to this Q2 charge, magnitude of this charge as compared to this charge is small. Therefore, potential, this Q is small, potential is small, and this R distance from Q2 to P, this distance increases, means potential decreases, means overall that V2 potential is very small, negative potential. And if we sum this V1 and V2, okay, this large quantity, this is small quantity, so in that region we cannot get potential 0. Okay. Therefore, now consider point P in another region. Consider here point P at which potential is 0. Okay. Here Q1 charge, magnitude is large, but distance is large. Okay. Therefore, that V becomes moderate, and that Q2 charge, magnitude is small and its distance is also small. Therefore, there is chances a point at which potential is 0. Okay. Now consider this point is at a distance x from that Q2 charge. We have to calculate distance, this distance of P from minus 6 coulomb charge, means Q2 charge. Okay. And the distance of Q1 from this P up to this P is 0.2 meter plus this distance x. Now calculate potential due to charge Q1, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This magnitude is 12 coulomb upon its distance is 0.2 plus x, and calculate electric potential due to this Q2 charge, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This minus 6 coulomb charge upon its distance is x. Okay. Now we have given total potential is 0. Okay. Means this total potential V can be written as V1 plus V2, which is equal to 0, or this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 12 divided by 0.2 plus x plus this minus 6 upon okay, we take this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught outside the bracket, so inside we get this minus 6 upon x distance, which is equal to 0. Okay. If we take this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught for in right hand side, so it becomes 0. Therefore here 12 upon 0.2 plus x is equal to, can be written as 6 upon x. Okay. So here 12 divided by 6 can be written as 0.2 plus x upon x, or this quantity 12 upon 6 can be written as 2 into this x. X is equal to 0.2 plus x, or this 2x minus x, which is equal to 0.2, or this x is equal to 0.2 meter, or x is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Means from that Q2 charge or minus 6 coulomb charge at a distance 20 centimeter, we get that point P at which potential is 0. Okay. Here another problem based on electrostatic potential. A charge 6 microcoulomb is placed at the origin, and another charge minus 5 microcoulomb is placed on the y-axis at a position A is equal to 6.0 meter. And from this data we have to calculate the total electric potential at the point P, whose coordinates are 8.00 meter, and B, calculate the work done to bring a proton from infinity to the point P. Okay. Now we have given two charges. This this 6 microcoulomb charge is placed at the origin. Now this is origin O, and denote this charge Q1. Q1 is equal to 6 microcoulomb. And another charge minus 5 microcoulomb is placed on the y-axis at a position of A, at a point A, 6.0 meter. Means here is point A. Okay, 6 meter distance from this charge. And we have to calculate total electric potential at point P. Total means electric potential due to this charge and this charge. Okay. Now this P point from this Q1 charge is at a distance 8 meter, and this Q2 charge is at a distance R3. Okay, R3 is not known to us, but from this right angle triangle we can calculate this R3. Okay. First calculate this R3 distance, or from Pythagoras theorem this R3 square can be written as this 6 square plus 8 square, or this is equal to 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100, or R3, which is equal to 10 meter. Yeah. Now calculate electric potential due to these individual charges. So electric potential due to charge Q1, which is equal to V1, equal to this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This charge is 6 microcoulomb. 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb divided by its distance is 8 meter. So 8 and V2 which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This distance R3 is equal to magnitude of charge is minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb divided by its distance is 10 meter. Okay. Therefore, total potential at point P can be written as this V is equal to V1 plus V2, or which is equal to this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into bracket this quantity 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 8 minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 10, or this can be written as value of this constant is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into this 10 raised to minus 6 is common. So inside bracket there is 3 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 5. So therefore 9 into 10 raised to this 3 into this 3, there is 2. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4, or this is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 3 into, there is 3 minus 2 means 1 by 4, or this is equal to, there is 9 by 4 means 2.25 into 10 raised to 3, there is volt. Okay, there is potential at point P. Okay, now B, calculate the work done to bring a proton. Proton means a charge having positive charge of electron, means proton, from infinity to a point P. Means we bring a proton from infinity to point P, and we have to calculate total work done. Okay. So work done W is nothing but the amount of charge which carried into the potential at a given point. Okay. Therefore W can be written as Q, amount of this magnitude of proton is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 16 into its potential is 2.25 into 10 raised to 3. So amount of work done is equal to this 1.6 multiplied by 2.25, which can be written as 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 16 joule.